next letter we're going to do is the letter J. It is also a top start letter. You're going to start at the top. You're going to draw a line down, and when you get to the bottom, you're going to curve in this direction, going towards the left. Okay, so taking your finger, I want you to point to that dot, trace down. When you get to the bottom, curve up. Okay, the lowercase j has a curve going the same direction, but we're going to do a middle start for the lowercase j. You're going to go down underwater with that hook. Okay, then you're going to pick your pencil up and go ahead and dot halfway between the top and bottom or middle line, and make your dot just like the letter I, the lowercase I. Take your finger, point to that dot in the middle, on that middle line, and I want you to trace down and underwater with a hook. Pick your pencil up to go ahead and dot your I. Okay, let's go ahead and switch. Okay, so we're going to find the J. It is the first letter in the second row. You are going to do, using your pen, you're going to trace top, start, down, curve up. In the earlier segment, I did not put a top on the J. It is correct with or without it. I generally don't put it on, but you can. And if you do want to put that top on it, it goes just like the T, okay? And so for the purposes of these directions, I am going to add it when we trace it. Top, start, down, curve up, and then pick your pencil up to draw your top if you so desire. Pick your pencil up. You're going to, for your third time tracing it, top, start, down, curve up, pick your pencil up to trace the top. Okay. On the lowercase j, is on the first row of the, or the second row of the lowercase letters. You're going to do a middle start. You're going to go down underwater with a hook, and then you're going to pick your pencil up so you can dot your J. Okay, tracing it a second time, middle start, down with that hook, and then you're going to pick your pencil up so you can dot your J. Third time tracing this, middle start, down with your hook, pick your pencil up so you can dot your J. Okay, we're going to go ahead and erase that quickly so that you can flip over to the other side, looking at row number 1, only working on the capital J. And I'm not going to put the top, but I'm going to give verbal directions to do so if you want to. All right, so for the first example, it's a top, start, down, curve up. And then if you want to put your top, you pick your pencil up to put the top. Top, start, curve up. Pick your pencil up if you want to do the top at that top line. And then for the third example, top, start, down, curve up. Pick your pencil up to do your top if you so desire. And then the last one, top, start, down, curve up, and then pick your pencil up if you so desire, putting the top on the J. Row number 2, we're going to work on just lowercase j's, and you are going to be on the middle line, middle start. You're going to go down underwater with the hook, pick your pencil up to dot your J. The next one, I'd like you to do middle start, down, make your hook, pick your pencil up to dot your J. The next one, I'd like you to middle start, down with your hook, pick your pencil up to do your dot. And the last example, middle start, down with your hook, pick your pencil up to do your dot. Okay. Rows number 3 and number 4 are for the combination capital and lowercase j. So we're going to do a capital J, lowercase j, dot your I, J. Capital J, lowercase j, dot your J. Capital J, lowercase j, dot your J. And again, you can obviously put the top of the J, the capital J, if you want. All right, so line 4, you're going to do 3 more examples, giving each of them space. And the words we're going to do, we are going to do a name. It's a since it's a proper noun, it has to be capitalized. And so for line 5 and 6, we are going to write the name Jan, and it's also the beginning of January, which also would be capitalized. So you're going to put, you're going to do a top start down, curve up. The A starts a little bit below that middle line, curve up, curve down, touch, retrace down with a monkey tail, and then N is a middle start down, retrace back up with your heel and your monkey tail. Give it some space. You're going to do a capital J, A, and then an N for Jan. The next, number 6, you're going to do Jan 2 more times, and then you're going to do the word jig, which is another word for like a dance. You do a jig. Number 7 and 8, you're going to write the word jig. And since it's not a proper noun, nor are we thinking it's the beginning of the sentence, we're going to do a all right, so the video cut off on me, so I've got to redo jig. It is, again, the name, a dance is called a jig. And so you're going to go to the middle line. You're going to do a lowercase j with the hook. Pick your pencil up to dot your J. You're going to do a middle start I, monkey tail, pick your pencil up to dot your I, and then your G, don't forget it goes below the middle line, and you're going to curve up, curve down, touch. This time it goes underwater, also with a hook, just like the J. All right, you're going to spell jig one more time on line 7. Middle start, down below water with a hook. Pick your pencil up for the dot your I, dot your J, go down for the I, middle monkey tail, dot your I, and then G with the hook, just like the J. And you're going to do jig 2 more times on line number 8. All right, when you are done with this activity, please make sure you take a picture and upload it to your Seesaw.